Why is it so hard to find a woman who can and will be a good wife? Well, part of the problem is that good wife is not clearly defined in our society. So when a man is not getting what he expects, instead of having a baseline for discussion, it becomes a debate about what he thinks a good wife is versus what she thinks a good wife is. I mean, everyone knows a man's role, right? Their two main jobs are, all together now, provide and protect. These two main roles only happen because of many other character strengths, like honesty, loyalty, discipline, being a hard worker, etc. The benefits of these traits are too many to count. So, let's get to women. A good wife will, say it with me, submit and nurture. There is no real common agreement on that. Everyone has their own opinion, and they rarely match, if ever. Therein lies the rub, as they say. When we look to the Bible, we will find, submit unto your own husbands, as unto the Lord, Ephesians 5:22. Good keepers of our home, obedient to our husbands, etc. Titus 2:5. Now, it seems many women, even Christian women, will forget some or all of those things as they live daily life with their men. Selective amnesia, maybe? In any event, the minimum effort a decent woman should make is to accept the following truth. It is better to dwell in the wilderness than with a contentious and an angry woman. If a woman remembers just that, she will be a much better wife and mother every day. So, what does a good wife look like in today's world? She appreciates his contributions to their family, discusses things in a way that shows respect for him as a husband and a man, puts down her phone when he's talking, listens intently when he's sharing his thoughts, considers his needs, submits to his authority by respecting his leadership with her conversations and actions, nurtures a loving home environment as far as physical expressions of love, maintaining the home, etc. This can be very simple to remember. As a general rule, it is best for her if she helps him be his best, because he can then be the best provider and protector for the family. What do you think are the two main traits of a good wife?